Hi, this is Vaughn Stewart with Pure Storage. I'd like to share with you a couple thoughts on the flash storage market and where I see things going as we enter 2014. I'd like to break this conversation down into 3 parts. What I think of the near-term opportunities for flash is, what I think the longer-term ramifications of this disruptive technology will be, and then I'll close with a call to action, a request to you. So let's start from the basic construct, which is flash is just incredibly fast. I don't need to state this. You bring flash into your data center, your application performance will take off. Applications will run 3, 5, 6, 10 times faster than they did prior when they were on spinning disk. That's not what to focus on when you're talking about flash. Is it important to scale? Absolutely it is. Are data centers plagued with performance challenges within their storage systems? Yes, they are. But I don't think performance is the be-all, end-all. By being able to make flash available for all workloads, you've got to be able to reduce its price, increase its scalability and capacity, and make the manageability simple. Operational manageability is as important as technical capabilities in scaling storage because data sets continue to grow at rapid paces. By being able to make flash available to all workloads, Pure Storage is doing this by implementing multiple storage savings technologies that bring that price point down. These technologies span thin provisioning, pattern removal, and most importantly, data deduplication and compression. Depending on the data set, each of these technologies is going to return a different set of savings. Databases work better with compression. Environments that are highly redundant like VDI or test and dev work better with deduplication. And virtual infrastructures, which have a high level of redundancy at the VM operating system level, yet store applications inside of VMs, benefit significantly from both. This core fundamental design, having multiple storage efficiencies, driving the price point down of flash, was a goal from day one at Pure Storage. We want to make flash available to all workloads. We want it to be universally or widely adopted. We've accomplished this and are executing on this today. So bring us in, and what will you see? A minor amount of changes required in your infrastructure. You're basically going to move your application from your spinning disk vendor's LUN onto a Pure Storage LUN, and you're going to reap the benefits. Significant reduction in storage operations, massive increase in terms of performance, and this other byproduct, which is a significant reduction in data center resources. I'm going to free up rack space. I'm going to free up power that's powering the old storage array. And more importantly, I'm going to reduce the amount of heat that's generated by that old spinning rust. That heat reduction is going to show itself in a reduction of your power bill. This is all the short-term capabilities of flash. Massive benefits, easy adoption. What I want to share with you is when you get beyond your first flash array, you're going to have this epiphany, which is the more spinning storage systems that I convert to a flash-based storage system, I'm going to have this massive effect of freeing up data center resources, specifically rack space and power and cooling. And the net result of this freeing up of resources is you're going to be able to start now having extra data center resources available for future data center growth. In other words, you're going to breathe new life into your existing data centers, specifically those that are constrained on both either floor tile or power and cooling. More than half of my conversations with CIOs today are never about performance. They're about challenges with constrained data center resources. Flash, particularly flash that's available for every workload, offers the potential to breathe new life into these data centers and extend their usefulness 5 or maybe even 10 years, allowing 5 or 10 times the amount of data to be stored in what used to be sitting on physical spinning disks. So here's my third point, my call to action, my call to you. Contact your Pure Storage partner or distributor and bring us in for a proof of concept. I assure you, you'll be blown away from what we can provide for you in terms of simplicity and performance. Your applications will take off and the change is simple. From there, you'll be hooked and you'll start seeing the long-term benefits as maybe a CIO would see them.